Hi, boys and girls. Once again, I gotta get my notes and everything. Keep filter, and voila, the glare is gone. Hi, boys and girls. This is your old pal, Uncle Al. And hi, Liberty Gardens. I harvested my apples too. Now, this came from my tree. It's a good sized apple. It's a cross between Granny Smith and Golden Delicious. I get both tastes in the same apple. When it's still green, it's like a Granny Smith, sweet but tart. When it starts to ripen, and I have to pick them fast because all the birds poke holes in them, they become a very good eating and storage apple. Now, I'll pick a few a little bit early so I could use it for baked goods and stuff, but I always have to prune this year. Instead of little tiny apples, I get a decent sized apple. Next year it'll be a little bit bigger because I got to feed the ground. A lot of organics. Remember, Texas, like this part of California, has heavily materialized soil. So lots of organics, kids. Excuse me. I got to do this fast. Yes, I'm glad you have to do this really fast. Because a lot of kids are on the phones, and the tablets. Yes, I do. And don't forget Game Boys. Hi, I'm Uni. I know that. Okay, Tyler, this is a 1 bar. AK Fab. It's a donut one. I got you glazed. It's glazed and BMUs. You can see that. I couldn't find the pink one with the sprinkles. This right here equals to the same nutritional value as Vigo yellow rice. I hope you see that. Vigo. Easy to cook. Foil package. And I have another step saver of chopped dried mushrooms and dried vegetables, peppers, and green stuff, all ready to go when I cook this. All together, perfect camping outfit. A hot lunch. And I'll throw in a can of chicken. Yay, canned chicken. Don't forget West Wind. I won't. I'm finding the label. Never have a little helper with them. And West Wind. Wayne. Okay. Yes, Wayne, I did find the books. It was really hard. You know this man? It's Yule Given. Before you were born, this guy was the first bushcrafter, back to earth, whatchamacallit. The guy was great. I had a chance to meet him before he died. So this and several other books coming your direction. I'm sorry, Will. Not Will. Sorry, Wes. Uncle Alan's a little dizzy. I've been cutting back on my meds so I can send money to Atlanta. I'm not feeling too hot. So, anyway, let's say bye to Uni. Bye, Uni. Okay, who the heck I gotta read out? Will just had his Friday get to know each other chat show, and that's just in time prepping. Okay, and tomorrow Saturday, so everybody shows up, and that's just in time prepping. Okay. I'm glad it's not feeling too hot. I should be lying down in bed. Okay. Person right here, Conhas Enoch from Canada. Hi. And we got LS Prep for Wasteland Prepping, GM Survival, and Kahan, Enoch, Bitty Booze, Homestead Decor, and more. Corsair Trainers at Steve's channel. And Angry Pirate News. Okay. Go ask KFAB, KFAB, about a list I sent to her uh, in her emails about, let's see, memories going. Remember, Uncle Alan only has half a brain. And please be sure to check out Modern Refugee and Will Patriot. They need your help too. Okay, watch their channels. Because Uncle Alan only has half a brain. Yes, half a brain. And it's starting to get to me some days, but I'm fine because I'm still here and I can still move. Okay, you want a hidden clue. Uh, let's see. Um, what was I saying? Oh, yeah, AKFAB. Okay, AKFAB. All right. I think Candace. I can't pronounce your name right, sorry. Go check with her for my list for a bolt bag. That'll give you a good start too. And I'm a little dizzy and I'm kind of trying to remember. Oh, everybody wants a hidden clue or a hidden message for December 27th, 2019. Now, if you've been watching my channels, everybody who's prepping are ahead of the game and they know what's going on. If you're starting now, you have 4 months and 3 weeks. Well, actually, 4 months and 2 weeks because you've been goofing around. And I had somebody ask me that question, why don't you tell us? Because if I told you, you wouldn't understand. First clue, okay? I hope this thing's working. Let's see, it's still working. Okay, first clue. All right, I'm trying to remember. Okay, smartphones and tablets. Okay, they control the puppets and they control the puppet masters. So everybody I know got a cell phone or a smartphone, TV set, anything. And a lot of people, I told this to KFAB about this. And I told her to watch an old episode of Fringe. It was an old science fiction show. And a lot of people say, I still don't get it. And you won't get December 27th, 2019. Even if it happens right in front of your face. Like I said, kids, smartphones, tablets, television sets, Game Boys, you name it. Anything with a screen. Remember? Red, green, and blue. We quit doing yellow because too many people were driving into light fixtures and telephone poles. Now, people are looking at me like, huh? It's an old Nazi brainwashing system. That's your first clue. But the way my gear's working up, I don't know if it's working or not. So here is a clue. On Fringe, they were talking about it. During the 50s, they took out the yellow component of this brainwashing scheme. And during the 50s, they used to use on TV ads. You couldn't see it. But regular ads, and anytime you were in a department store, you got hit with red, green, and blue constantly until it drove you nuts. And that caused a lot of people to buy a lot of stuff during Christmas. They still use it because that's very effective. That's your first clue, kids. I'll be giving direct clues, hidden messages, but a lot of people don't understand. And still you have one of those things in your house, nearby, next to your bed, in the bathroom. Who in the hell carries a tablet or smartphone in the bathroom? You know they're watching you there and they know what kind of toilet paper you use. So leave the phone outside the bathroom, please. Thank you. And I'll catch you later, kids.